Alright guys, so today's video is about how to turn on off camera micro control of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see right on my smartphone here, which is a 15 Pro Max, you can see the flower icon popping up when I go close to an object like this here. So if you want to turn this off, you can do it manually here, or if you want to remove it from your settings, you can go to the settings of your iPhone like this and scroll all the way down to the camera option, which is here. Now select the camera option and scroll down once again, and you are going to see the micro control option. Now toggle it off, and that is it. So when you launch your camera, you are going to see that the micro control will no longer appear. The flower icon will no longer appear on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that is how to turn it off. And if you want to switch it on, you can go to the settings and enable it once again. And that is all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.